Load your family into the 2019 Toyota RAV4. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.